Okay, so Ryan's gonna climb up this tree and throw that little wooden house, a golf ball, and a camera off and see what happens when it hits the basketball court. It's super windy out today. Obviously the wind's not blowing right now, but
dangerous.
Like right before it was going the wind was blowing really hard.
So dangerous.
Yeah, so he's gonna
Might be way too windy,
climb up there. I'll get back to you.
when
Don't throw it yet. I'm gonna get a slow-mo video. Oh, the wind's starting to pick up a little bit. Oh gosh. Ah!
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh god! You good there?
It got caught in the tree.
Wait, what?
iPhone! iPhone!
Wait, what? You actually... What?
Get that on video!
Yeah, I got it. He threw his phone in some... Because he has this ginormous case. Yeah, it's all good.
Run!
Yeah, well, that was kind of a stupid drop test. Because I was not close enough to actually see it good.
Now we can put
This
the
camera
iPhone
didn't
drop
even...
test.
This camera didn't even break.
Throw it back up!
Okay.
You gotta chuck it!
Oh, batteries
with
are gone.
your heart!
Let me put your phone down.
iPhone drop test!
Ah,
Oh,
nope.
I'm just gonna come down.
Yeah, well, that was pretty strong winds while he was up there. We're gonna do some more videos like this. We're gonna actually get good footage though. So thanks for watching.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Comment what you think we should do for future videos, and we will